I'm Daniel Humm. I'm the chef of 11 Madison Park here in New York. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coq au vin. A coq au vin is a braised chicken in red wine, one of my favorite holiday recipes. Here we have the chicken broken down into 8 pieces, 4 pieces of the leg and 4 pieces of the breast. And what we're doing now, we're just going to put it into a pot. Then here we have vegetables, celery, carrots, and onions, and garlic. We call this in the kitchen a mirepoix, and we just gonna cut it up roughly. And what I like to use, of course, 8-inch chef's knife. We have an onion, carrot, then we have a little celery, we have a little garlic also, and we have herbs, some thyme, and a little parsley as well. This is just going to add to the aromatics of the vegetables. And then we have the red wine. And here you want to use a full body red wine. And now we're just going to cover the chicken and the vegetables with the wine. And now this is going to go in the refrigerator overnight. So here we have the chicken marinated for 24 hours. What we want to do now, we want to use a meat fork, get the chicken out. Here we have a strainer. We're just going to strain the red wine from the vegetables. So here we have the chicken, we have the vegetable, and we also have the wine separate. But now is the seasoning process. So we're going to put down some salt and also some flour. This will help to give the chicken a nice color when we saute it. Here we also have a couple bacon lardons. We have some mushrooms, a couple pearl onions, tomato paste. Now we're going to add back the vegetable that we used in the marinade. We'll add the chicken. And now we pour the wine that we brought to a boil. We pour the wine back into the pot. Bring it to a boil. We have a little bit of chicken stock, and it's going to go in the oven for about 1 to 2 hours at like 350 degrees. Here you see the sauce is nice reduced, and it added some nice shine to it. All the vegetables are soft. The smell is amazing. We have some fresh parsley. We're just gonna put that on top a little bit. We made some polenta to serve on the side. I think that is a really good match. The red wine is rich, and you get the flavor of the chicken and the vegetables. It tastes amazing. I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and I hope it doesn't look too hard, and you can do it yourself at home. Enjoy.